Jay Peak is definitely one of the premier mountains in New England. We've got about 350 skiable acres, so we're definitely known for our snow, snow quality, snow quantity, and then there has been a significant build out of commercial amenities over the past 6 to 7 years. We've also built an indoor water park, which is open year-round, but also sees quite a bit of activity in the summer. There's a lot of days in the winter when it's very windy, very cold. The skiing, you can't ski because it's just too nasty out. So the water park was built with the idea we'll create a weatherproof amenity, and we can always have something for people to do. We do about $50 million worth of business annually. We have about 300,000 skier visits a year to Jay Peak, and we have about 350,000 water park visits a year. Winter is here, 8 months of the year. So we require heat, a considerable amount of building heat and space heat in our business, and it needs to be reliable. The state of Vermont years ago banned using electricity for heating sources in commercial buildings. So at that point, we kind of went all in with propane. There's no natural gas distribution services set up in Vermont, in the Northeast Kingdom. And we made the decision to go with propane over heating oil for a number of reasons. And cost was a driver, energy efficiency was a driver, emissions. And when we added all those decision points up, propane was the clear winner. And we just have more faith in that being a reliable product for us and a more cost-effective utility. So in the Hotel Jay and Water Park, we have a central heating plant boiler room that provides heat and hot water for both buildings. We made the decision to go with propane-fired boilers primarily due to the efficiency of the fuel and burning of the fuel. So we've got 10 restaurants at Jay Peak. As far as the chefs that cook in these restaurants enjoy cooking with propane. The Foundry restaurant in Hotel Jay has a kind of a unique centerpiece to the kitchen. It's a propane-fired pizza oven that is very exciting. People really like to look at it. It's a conversation topic, and it cooks a great pizza. We have about 250 residential units at the mountain, and probably about the same number in hotel rooms. Each one of them has a propane-fired fireplace. We got away from wood fireplaces some years ago. People enjoy having a fireplace. People enjoy propane fireplaces. They're easy, they're clean, they don't require wood, and it's kind of a user-friendly application for us. All of the clothes dryers, cooking appliances, and heating systems in all of our residential units are propane-fired. When we build and design, we really try to maximize our use of propane for a number of reasons, most of which is the efficiency, and it's a cost-effective way for us to run these appliances.